central Idaho is the Sawtooth National Forest, world-renowned for its outstanding outdoor recreation and forest experiences. Large, uncharacteristic wildfires, bark beetle infestations, and recreational pressures are affecting this landscape. The National Forest Foundation is working with local communities and the Forest Service to restore watersheds and improve recreational opportunities across these public lands. We invite you to join us. Learn more, volunteer your time, or donate to these restoration efforts. This place is worth it.